guys, welcome to Cathay Pacific Lounge. We are just waiting for a flight going to Hong Kong.
If any items do not fit into either of these locations or are too heavy,
In case of emergency.
Ano masasabi?
Good evening.
Ha?
Good evening.
Okay. Our meal. Beef. It's time to eat. We are now in Hong Kong. Say hi.
请注意，旅客请小心看管财物。无人看管
Welcome
的行
guys
李会
to
被
Hong
人造。
Kong.
如果发现有行李没人看管，请通知附近的机场
Stopover
执
going
法
to
人员。
Japan.
谢谢合作。
Oh. Wait, ayaw niyang mag. Yun. That's what I'm doing. Oh, 47. Saan? Yun, left. Oh, yun yung bridge. Ayun, oh. Saan? Oh, okay. Okay, now we are going to the lounge here in Hong Kong. Try natin. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, United. Saan tayo? Okay. We are going to United Club. Oh, there you go. United Lounge. Oh, there you go. Kita ba? Oh yeah, kita. Okay. We are going there now. Here na pala. Dito na tayo. Oh.
I think the gate's still not assigned yet.
Okay.
Yeah, so just check it later.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Walk to United Club. Oh. Oh. Nice. Sayang kung maaga-aga lang. Maganda sana yung view nito. But anyway, this is the United Lounge. Connection flight going to Tokyo.